When working with wood, maintaining a sharp cutting edge is crucial. Although there is such a thing called working dull, that is where the tool is starting to dull, but it is still making a cut. It's just not making an optimum cut. But the reality is, it's just such a simple process to maintain a sharp cutting edge, in this case on a gouge, that there's really not a good reason to work with dull tools. I will usually sharpen the edge on the gouge when I'm making pins. Every other pin blank that I do, and if I'm working with an acrylic or an antler, every time I cut a blank, I will go back and sharpen the tool. Let me walk you through how I sharpen my tools. In this case, of course, being the gouge. And by the way, this is by no means inclusive. It's just how I do it. Let me show you just how simple it is for me. Okay, once the grinder comes up to speed, and by the way, I highly recommend a CBN cutting wheel versus your traditional. You just gently place your tool, very light pressure, put a new edge on, and that's all it takes to have a very sharp edge. As you can see, it takes just a moment to put a new edge on the cutting tool, and the difference it makes is very noticeable. That being said, you do have to have quality sharpening equipment. In this instance, I highly recommend the CBN grinding wheels. I find they are very much worth the investment. Again, this is just my way of sharpening a turning tool, but it's by no means inclusive. I would suggest doing a little research and find out what's best for you. And in the future, I'll do a little short video on why CBN grinding wheels are worth the investment, because they can get quite pricey. Anyway, until next time, have a blessed day.